Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can make your Spotify louder. So before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and do share this video with your friends and family who also need a solution for it and can get through it. So we will just go to our Spotify app first, and yeah, so once your app is open, then you will simply tap on this gear icon on top right corner as settings. You'll tap on it, and then you can see once you scroll down, then you will see this option called audio quality. Here you can read sets your audio quality to low equivalent to 24 kbit/s and disables artist canvases. So it just mentions that it will set your quality to low. So if you want your audio quality to be greater and the louder and the clearer, you can simply tap on this and disable this particular option. Then you will simply go down and see this option called Normalize Volume. So it also says that set the same volume level for all tracks. So apparently some tracks have their own kind of volume, but with this option all the tracks have the same volume. So you will simply disable this also. Now you will be able to hear your songs differently and hear some tracks with their own original volume level, which will be different from the previous volume level that you have been hearing. And I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.